State versus Nicholas Carpenter, 16-53, failure to register as a sex offender. Sir, have you made application to the public defender's office?
Yes.
Okay. When did you do that?
Last week.
Okay. Okay, it looks like he appeared on February 25th in public defender's appointed.
Has he been arraigned, Your Honor?
Yes. I'll make sure, but I think he is. Yes.
Your Honor, I don't know of any action to take on Mr. Carpenter. I don't think that Mr. Bayless met with him this morning. He may have I'll just ask him, Your Honor. Mr. Carpenter, what is your bond set at?
$15,000.
Are you asking for a bond reduction today?
Yes, sir.
What is the basis for your bond reduction, Mr. Carpenter?
I just don't have enough money, and I can't get a lawyer in here, and I could probably make half of that, or about 800. I could probably get out and bond out today.
Do you have a place to live, Mr. Carpenter?
Yes, sir.
Where would that be?
Corning, Arkansas.
Where?
Corning, Corning.
What's the address in Corning?
405 Bobcat Lane.
And who lives there?
My mother, my brother,
What's your mother's name?
Melanie Burns.
Your Honor, based upon his statements that he has a permanent residence, based upon the charge, nonviolent type of charge, based upon the permanent residence, and he has said that he could go and live at, we would ask that his bond be set at $7,500.
You know, this gentleman has been required to register. He fell off of our grid August 13th of 2015. He has been gone and off of our radar since 2000 and, well, for about 7.5 months. That only stopped when he was arrested, placed in our jail back in February. It would be important to me if he turned himself in.
I did.
He's a level 1 offender. Is that right?
Judge, do you have that in front of me? I don't
The
have that in
affidavit.
file. Say again? It's
I have
on
the affidavit. Yes.
Does it say he's a Schedule 1?
Level 1.
Yeah. If he turned himself in, that's sufficient.
I did.
So
I'll
what's
take-
your response?
I'll agree to that.
Okay. Bond be set at $7,500.
Thank you.
Thanks.
You need to make an appointment to see the public defender's office before you go back to Corning.
Okay.
Let me see when your next appearance is, so you be sure to make it. May 5th, 10 o'clock. May 5th, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. State versus Stephen Osborne, 15-305, criminal mischief, theft of property.
Yes, sir. I've talked to Mr. Bayless.
Okay.
I've filled out an application on this. I've got a hold out of Missouri for the same, for crossing the state line with this motorcycle. I've paid half down on this bike, and I've got witnesses saying so.
Hey, I tell you what, I can't do anything for you right now to determine what should happen in the case. You just need to get with Mr. Bayless again and have him come talk to the prosecutor about it. I'm trying to determine why we have you here this morning. Do you know? He's not scheduled to appear today. It doesn't look like.
Your Honor, we're getting Mr. Bayless. He visited with Mr. Osborne at the jail this morning. I'm just going by what the court has, and that is that his bond was revoked. I don't know why.
Okay.
Your Honor,
We'll get Mr. Bayless in here. Just hang on a moment.
All right. Yeah, it was revoked by the bond company, not the court.
There was a certificate of surrender that's been filed by.
Okay.
That took you back to jail.
Is there anything to be done in Mr. Osborne's case, Stephen Osborne?
Not that I'm aware of, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Mr. Bayless is here in the courtroom. He says there's nothing to be done today, so
Nothing that we can do today?
that's what he says. Do you need to go over and talk with him later today?
I'll go visit with him.
Okay, he says he'll be over later today to talk with you, sir.
I would appreciate that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.